How to add a digital signature in a PDF. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a digital signature to a PDF. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to open up the PDF. So let's say this is the PDF that I want my signature in right here. If that's the case, you'll have to open this PDF in a Word document. So right click on it. Head over to Open With. If you find Word, completely fine, open it up, or tap on choose another app and then search for Word. So there it is. I'll double tap on it and there we go. Now what you'll need to do after you're here is under the signature line, double tap on it. Then you'll need to save this document in a format that supports digital signatures. So tap on yes and then save this document. So you can save this document wherever you want. So I'll just name this signature. Then tap on save. After you save this, you'll get an option to add the signature in. So you can tap on select image to select the image you want. So I'll just tap on browse from a file. After you do that, your file location should open up. After you're here, simply search for the file that is your signature. So if this is my signature, I'll just double tap on it and then tap on sign. As you can see, it will ask you if you want to use the certificate. So tap on yes. Also tap on OK. And there we go. You have just added a signature. So as it says right here, this is marked as a final document. So now you can simply save it as a PDF. So to save it as a PDF, head over to File on the top left. Head over to Save As. Then simply select your PDF here and then simply choose your location wherever you want. So tap on save and then it's basically done. So there you can see I've just added my signature here, and that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.